Hello everybody. So now these questions I am going to discuss. Find the values of x, y and z in the given figures. See, this is already we discussed. To refresh your memory I am going to discuss. ये हमने already discuss किया था कि if AB and CD are the two line segment or you can see the two lines which are going to intersect at a point, then their vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. You can say the angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. They are the vertical opposite angles are always equal. This is already we discussed. कि अगर कोई भी दो लाइन सेगमेंट किसी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, then their vertical opposite angle will always be equal. By using this one, and also we discussed about the linear pairs. Linear pairs means sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree. That is the linear pair. That is already we discussed. So to find the value of x, y, z here, we will apply the vertical opposite angle and the linear pairs is here. So just see the first part is here. The solution of this first part. We want to find out the value of x, y, z is here. So AB and CD are the two line segment. They are intersecting at the point you can see like O. So this angle 50 degree will be equal to angle Y. You can see the Y is equal to 50 degree. You can give the region vertically opposite angles. So this is your, you can see the 50. Now to find this x is there, you can see this 50 plus x, 50 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. But this is why linear pairs. Because already we know, ये हमको पता है कि linear pair क्या है? Sum of the two adjacent angles is 180, that is linear pair. So from here you can transpose this 50 on this side. So x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 50. That is equal to 130. So therefore x is equal to 130 degree. Now this is your 130. And whatever is x, that will be equal to the z. They are the vertical opposite angles. So now angle x is equal to, that is 130, is equal to z, region vertical opposite angles. So z is also 130. So this is 50, so this will be the 50 because by the vertical opposite angle, sum of these two, 50 plus x will be equal to 180 by the linear pair. इसको ट्रांसपोज करिए तो x is equal to 180 minus 50, so x is equal to 130. So this is your 130, and whatever will be x will be equal to the z because they are the vertical opposite angles. ये दोनों vertical opposite हैं, so this will be equal to this one. So z will also be equal to 130. Now look at here. Here is also same properties we will apply here only. See now. Look at here. This is your AB and DC are the two line segment. So directly you can say this is 40. So this angle Z will also be the 40 in a solution. Here is Z is equal to 40 degree. Region vertical opposite angles. So this is your 40. Now we want to find out this y. You can find out first. Sum of this 40 plus y will be equal to 180. Now 40 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Region linear pairs. By the linear pairs, sum of the two adjacent angles. दो adjacent angle का sum 180, that is linear pair. So from here y is equal to, you can say, you can transpose this 40 on this side. 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140 degree. So what you are getting, y is 140. See. Now you can calculate this x by using this 40 plus x plus 25 is equal to 180 by the straight angle, or आप ये ले सकते हैं 40 plus 25 plus this one, anyhow you can take. So I am taking this one. Sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 by the straight angle. So you can say now 40 plus x plus 25 is equal to 180. This is by straight angle. Remember, straight angle. You cannot say the linear pair. इसको हम linear pair नहीं कह सकते. To become a linear pair, sum of the two adjacent angle. They should be the adjacent angle. किन्हीं दो adjacent angle का sum 180. That is the linear pair. Here the three angles is there, so sum of this will be 180 by the straight angle. Now this is x plus 65. 180 you can transpose. X is equal to 180 minus 65. 115. So therefore x is equal to 150. So this angle is 115 degree. Now have a look. Yes. Now in case two lines segment we are taking AB and CD, they are intersected by the third one, this one. So this third line which is going to intersect, that intersecting line, this is known as a transversal. This line is known as a transversal line. Transversal. So right now we are going to discuss if the two lines are intersected by the third one, then what about these angles? What are the name of these angles? First we are going to discuss the name. Later on we will take, in case if these two lines are parallel, then what will be the relation in these angles. पहले हम केवल नाम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, इनको क्या बोलते हैं. Angle 1 and 4, 2 and 3. 1, 4 and 2 and 3, they are known as alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 1 and this angle 8, 5 and 3, 2 and 7, 6 and 4. These are known as a corresponding angles. These are known as a corresponding angles. 5 and 7, 6 and 8. 5 and 7, 6 and 8. They are known as a alternate exterior angles. And same side, interior, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. They are known as a co-interior angles. Now the condition, in case if these two lines are parallel, intersect by third one. अगर ये दोनों line parallel हैं, intersect by third one है, तो what will be the relation among these angles? अगर ये दोनों line parallel हैं, तो relation क्या होगा? So look at here now. For the same, I am taking, this is your AB and this is CD. This is your line. I am taking, this is PQ. This is your angle 1. This is 2, 3, 4, and this is, I have taken 5. This is your 6, and this is 7 and 8. Now here is this AB is parallel to CD. This line is parallel to this one, and this is your transversal which is going to intersect. So if the two parallel lines is intersect by the third one, that is known as a transversal line, then what will be the relation in these angles? In angles में क्या relation होगा? अगर ये दोनों line parallel है, intersect by the transversal, तो what will be the relation in 1 and 4 and 3 and 2? So in that case, if these are parallel, AB is parallel to this CD, then this angle 1 and 4, angle 1 will be equal to angle 4, angle 1 equal to angle 4 होगा, 2 is equal to angle 3, and they are known as a alternate interior angles. Similarly, here corresponding angles are also equal. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 8, 1 is equal to 8, 5 is equal to 3, 6 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 7. One is interior, another is exterior, same side. They are known as corresponding and they are always equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Similarly, one on this side and another outer side means the exterior of this one. Angle 5 will be equal to angle 7. If these two lines are parallel, angle 5 will be equal to angle 7 and angle 6 will be equal to angle 8. And in a co-interior angles, the sum of these, means angle 2 plus 4 will be equal to 180 degree and 1 plus 3 will also be equal to 180 degree. They are the co-interior. But these conditions are true in case these lines means AB is parallel to CD. if this line is parallel to this one, intersect by third, दो parallel line तीसरी ट्रांसवर्सल से intersect करते हैं, तो ये this angle 1 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 3 are known as the alternate triangle. They will be equal. 5 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 8, 2 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 4. Corresponding angles, they will also be the equal. 5 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 8. Alternate XT angles will also be the equal. And sum of these two angles will be equal to 180. So if these two lines are parallel. Now one more point is there. If you want to check these two lines are parallel or not, हमको क्या करना है, हमें ये चेक करना है कि whether these two lines are parallel or not. तो among these conditions, if any one of the condition is going to fulfill, then you can declare both the lines are parallel. You want to check ये दोनों लाइन parallel हैं या नहीं, तो कोई भी एक condition either this is equal to this or this one, AB, any among these all, sum of these 180, yeah, this is equal to this one, and you can declare they are the parallel. So you can say converse is also true. Converse is also true. If these are the parallel lines intersect by third, then these conditions are true. ये सब true होंगी. अगर इनमें से एक भी condition true होती है, तो lines become a parallel. Have a look. Now we will take the question. Yes. Now these two questions I am taking. Information is given. Find the value of x. हमें x की value निकालना है here, and here is also in the B part. If the following figures, if L is parallel to, mean this line is parallel to this one is given. This is your transversal. In second figure, this line is parallel to this one is already given, and these two lines are also the parallel. So how can you find out the value of x is here? So first part I am taking the solution of this one. See, we are given, this is already given, N is parallel to M. This is the information which is already given in a question. See, we want to find out the value of x. So this is already we discussed. If the two parallel lines, these two are the parallel lines intersect by third, then there we know this angle 1, 2 and 3 and 4 we are taking. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, 4 will be equal to angle 2. You can take it as 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 will be equal to 2. You can say by the vertical opposite angle. Sum of these two will be equal to 180 by the co-interior angles. Because this line is already given parallel to this one. It's already been discussed. So look at it now. For the own convenience, I can give the name is here is y. We are interested to find the value of x. हमें क्या x की value निकालनी है, इसको हमने y मान लिया. But this 110 will be equal to y, region vertically opposite angles, and because this is parallel to this one, so sum of these two angles, angle y plus x, sum of these two angles will be equal to 180, but angle x plus y is equal to 180, region they are the co-interior angles, means same side of the transversal with the parallel interior. Sum of these two is always equal to 120, means angle 2 plus angle 3, sum of these two will be equal to 180 degree. This is y is already we know 110. You can put the value of y is here, you can find the value of x. So x plus 110 is equal to 180. You can transpose here, so you will get x is equal to 180 minus 110. So therefore x is equal to 70 degree. So this x will be equal to 70 degree and y is equal to 110. This is already be assumed. This is be assumed. We suppose left किया था for the own convenience only. Similarly in this one. Similarly you can take in this figure. So look at here. See now. For the own convenience, we can take this one is suppose y. Look at here now. First of all, L is given parallel to M. See the solution. we are given L is parallel to M. This line is parallel to this one, and this is working as a transversal. So this angle will be equal to this one. You can say by corresponding angles. This is already we discussed. If the two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this one. This line is parallel to this. So ये angle इसके बराबर होता है. They are known as corresponding angles. So look at here. These two are parallel. This is your transversal. So this angle will be equal to this one. So you know the value of axis now. See. Now we want to find out. Just only this x we want to find out. So directly you can find out here is, and there is no need to. This is you can find out. Another way is there only. See. You can, this line is parallel to this one. Another way is also you can, this is 80. So what about this one? It will be 110 is also you can say. This is 110 by the vertical is also you can say. Now this line is parallel to this one. So you can say this angle 110 is equal to this one also. Then the region will be alternate interior angles. So anyhow you can do that. You can find out this angle by the vertical, then you can say this is equal to this one, or directly you can say this angle is equal to this one. Corresponding angles are always equal. Suppose here is, this is given, suppose we can say this is y. Suppose you want to find out the value of y is also. So here is, this line is parallel to this one. So this angle, and this is working as a transversal. So whatever the value of this angle will be equal to this one. So directly you can do. So have a look. Yes. Now we are taking the three different figures and we want to check whether these lines are parallel or not. हमको ये तीन फिगर दिए, हमें ये चेक करना है कि ये लाइन L is parallel to M है या नहीं. यहाँ, here and here is also. So take it in first part we are taking. Already we discussed. ये हमने already discuss किया है कि if the lines are parallel, suppose this line is parallel to this one, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, 3 is equal to this angle 4, you can take the 5, is 6 and 7 and 8. Then alternate interior angles are equal in case if this line is parallel to this one. अगर ये line, you can take this as A and B. If A and B is parallel, if A is parallel to B, then this angle will be equal to this will be equal to this one. Alternate interior, 3 is equal to 5, 1 is equal to 6, 4 is equal to 7, 2 is equal to 8. Corresponding, sum of these two is 180, 1 plus 4 is also 180 because these two are parallel and by the co-interior angles and corresponding angles are always equal. And this is already we discussed कि इसका converse, अगर कोई भी इनमें से condition एक satisfy है, you can declare both the sides are, the line segments are, lines are the parallel. So look at here now, we want to check these are parallel or not in this one. See, just do the sum because these two angles are given. Just do the sum is 126 plus 44. So this is equal to what you are getting 170 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. If इन दोनों का sum अगर 180 होता, so you can declare both that these two lines are parallel because co-interior angle sum is always equal to 180. जब line parallel होती है, तो sum of their co-interior angles is always 180. But here is the sum of these two co-interior angles is not 180. So therefore you can say L is not parallel to M. In this figure, this line is not parallel to this one. Now here, solution. For the own convenience, I am taking this is suppose, you can take this suppose X. So first of all, see, this is 50, 75, so X will also be equal to 75. Region is vertical opposite angles because the vertical opposite angles are always equal. So this is also your 75 degree. Now you can check the sum of these two. Now 75 plus 75 you are getting is equal to 150, which is not equal to 180. The sum of these two becoming 180, you can declare these two lines are parallel. You can say this is parallel to this one. You can get the name easier. This is L and M here. So the sum of these two is not equal to 180 because sum of the co-interior angles is not equal to 180. So therefore you can say, therefore L is not parallel to M. These two lines are also not parallel. Now you can take in this third case. Look at here. Here is, you can assume, let's suppose this is, you can suppose X. You want to check these two are parallel or not. So first of all, X will be equal to 60 degree. That is by the vertical opposite angles. This is your 60. This is also equal to 60. Now you can add these two. So you are getting 120 plus 60 is equal to, you are getting 180, which is equal to the 180 itself. So sum of these two is equal to 180. So therefore you can say L is parallel to M. So if any figure is given, like one more figure I am taking here only, it is not necessary, then always we are going to check the co-interior. ऐसा नहीं है कि co-interior के लिए ही करते हैं, कुछ भी, any figure may be given is here. For example, suppose I am taking this is your line L, another line I am taking this is M is here. Suppose this angle is given 120 degree, suppose, and this is also given 120. So here is the corresponding angles. This is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. Their corresponding angles are already equal. So you can declare the L is parallel to M. So among all the properties, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior, corresponding angle, sum of their interior, co-interior angles is 180. If any of the properties going to fulfill, you can declare the lines are the parallel. Means that is already been discussed. The converse is always true. So have a look.